Air is going to be fun, AC, and people cutting grass outside, but ignore that. Worry about my friend mail. I got friend mail today. Hey everyone, this is Simply Makeup. If you're new here, my name is V. We are jumping right into it. I looked this way and my son handed me a package. I know this was coming, but I didn't know it was coming now. So it's friend mail. I am excited. Thank you very much, my friend. I receive it. Thank you very much, my friend, for sending me friend mail. I mean, I saw my son handed me this and it say this. I was like, Beautylish? This is not the right person because I did not order anything from Beautylish. And then I saw who it's from and I was like, oh, that's my friend. My friend said she was going to send me some stuff and here it is, it arrived. I did not take the name off, so that's why I'm not showing you this. But we are going to open together, and this also said Beautylish. So now I really don't know what's in there. I don't know. Oh, okay, I see what's in there. Ooh. This package has stuff on it, but I don't know where it's from. I don't know where the stuff is from, but let's continue. Okay, yeah, so it is from my friend. It is, she did tell me she was sending me some stuff. And this is Main Squeeze. Wow, and that's by ColourPop. These are the colors. So that's one palette. The second one in there is Ooh La La. Ooh La La is right, and it's pink. The first palette was colors red, and that's also by ColourPop. Ooh La La is right. Ooh, this is cute. These are the colors are fine. They just came out, and I hope I'm putting them back where they belong. They shake them so hard. All I have to do is press it back and it's in. Okay, so this is Ooh La La. I just press it back in place. Gorgeous. Ooh, yeah, the male person shook that one up. And the next one is Strawberry Shake. Again, that's by ColourPop. The male person shook that box a lot because that box looked well shaken because the colors are falling apart. And I'm just pressing them back before I show you. See, my hand have it now. These are the colors. These are the colors. They are very pretty. Very cute. And that's a light pink. Yeah, the male lady, the mailman, the male whoever shook that box because that box has all kind of colors on it, as you can see it on my hand. Yeah, the whole box. And this one is Soul by ColourPop. So, ooh, they break the whole thing. Well, the colorful ones did not break, but they broke the shimmers, the brown shimmers. This is what it looks like. Yep, you can see. This is it. Yeah, because you can tell they did something on there. And this color, very pretty. They break that. So I'll clean it up. And the last one in there is X's and O's. It has stuff all over it from one of the palettes. And it looks like, and this is intact. It's interesting. This is intact. this is it. So I'll be playing with these colors. Thank you very much, my friend. I got 5 palettes from my friend, and I appreciate it very much. As you can see, the mail, but everything I could salvage was the only one they really messed up is the soul, and it's only 2 colors. But I'll press it back in. This is one of the colors. The color is soft and nice, so I'm pressing it back. And this color right here, I am pressing it back in place. And those are 2 pretty shimmers. But other than that, we are good. I can use this. Thank you very much. This is my friend Mail with my palettes. Colors of these palettes are pretty. And the X's and O's. So these are the palettes I received, and I will be playing with them. Thank you. I love it. And as you can see, the mail box, it is everywhere. That one color is like everywhere. So you can tell. See all the wonder inside? Just that one color, which I just pressed back in place. So again, thank you all very much for watching. And today's word is faith. Faith. Have faith. Trust in faith. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And you make up a saying to go out there and have fun. And I will see you in another video. Bye.